So let's start. So in today's session, we will be discussing about the cross-selling process in SAP SD. Okay. So this is also very important sales process in SAP. So we'll understand what exactly this cross-selling sales process. Okay. So here we have one scenario. Okay. So let's say customer orders a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay. In that case, SAP automatically suggested related accessories, that is phone case, screen protector, wireless charger, and earphone using cross selling. This is called cross selling. See, selling the extra product with the customer order. Okay. So SAP will automatically suggest the products which can be sold. Okay. That is called cross selling process. So basically, this will be used to increase average order value and promote accessories during mobile and laptop sales order entry. Okay, not only this, so it depends on the product to product. So SAP will automatically suggest the recommended product which can be sold along with the core product. Okay, so this is about the cross selling process. Once again, we'll see here. See, these are all the table of content. Okay, you can go through this. And next, see, cross-selling in SAP SD is a functionality where system automatically suggests related or complementary product when a material is entered in the sales order. Okay, whenever we are going to enter the material in the sale order, SAP system will suggest the related item, okay, which may be a complementary, which may not be a complementary product. Okay, for tech, let's say we have a tech vision electronics. I had taken an example. When a customer order Samsung Galaxy smartphone, SAP automatically suggest phone cases, screen protector, wireless chargers, and earphone to increase average order value. Okay, so this is about the cross-selling process. So here we have seen the example. If let's say customer ordered Samsung Galaxy 2510 units, so system suggests phone case, screen protector, wireless charger. Okay, so let's say for customer order a Dell laptop, so system suggests laptop bag, wireless mouse, USB. Okay, so salesperson sees pop up in the VA01 transaction and can add the accessories to the same order. Okay, so this is the example. So here I have entered more examples as well. Okay. So business purpose of cross selling. So one is increase average sale order value. Okay, to increase average sale order value, we can use cross selling, in which automatically product suggestions in VA01. And also it promote a related and complementary product that can be maintained in the condition record based on the recommendation. And it improves customer experience. So pop-up dialog with the pre-selected item. Okay. So we can suggest it to increase more sales as well. So reduce missed sales opportunities. Okay, using this cross-selling process, we can reduce missed sales opportunities and support seasonal upselling strategies as well. Okay, and we can give the validity control on these cross-selling process as well. Let's say we are getting we will let's say we are getting a festival. Okay, festival will see, usually you might have seen that for the festivals they are going to give an offer for 10 days or 15 days, or it may be 1 month. Okay, we can set a validity period for this cross-selling process as well. So during any occasion, any of the festival, so if you are going to buy a laptop, you will be getting back free, and you can set the validity period till that cross-selling process will work in the SAP. How cross-selling works? So sale order creation, then we need to check the cross-selling procedure via condition technique. One step configuration we need to do. Then we need to maintain the condition records. Then cross-selling profile control we will have to maintain, and the pop-up appears in VA01. Then so on. Okay. Now we will dive into the configuration part. Okay. So in the configuration, we have to. So already you have seen the different determination procedure, document procedure, cross-selling. These are all we will do it. Okay. We have a step-by-step process here. Okay. First, cross-selling process. We need to determine the procedure for cross-selling. See, cross-selling in SAP uses the condition technique, the same framework used for the pricing and output determination as well, as we have seen already. Okay, the output pricing procedure and output determination we see now. The same sequence we need to go. So we need to define the condition table, we need to define the field catalogs, access sequence, condition type, procedure, profile, all these we are going to determine. So determination procedure controls how SAP finds suggest cross-selling product. It uses condition technique to determine. Okay, we'll go with this SAP, SIMG, sales and distribution, basic functions and cross-selling. So I'll log into SAP. Now I will go to SIMG. See here, I have mentioned the path. Okay, SIMG, sales and distribution, then basic functions. Under this, we have cross-selling. Okay, so here we have cross-selling process. So in this, we have determination. See here, determination procedure for cross-selling. Okay, so determination procedure for cross-selling. Click on this. See here. So here we have condition table, access sequence, condition type, procedure, and all. See, in this first we need to create the condition table. So condition table already you know the combination. Okay, the combination. But here I will maintain only the material combination. So I will go to condition table, create condition table. Okay. See if you search here, you will get, see only material combination is there. Okay. So I will go with, see if you want to create your own, go and create it. So I will maintain sales organization and material combination. Click on generate. Yes, I want to generate. On local object and it will generate. So here I will maintain. So third party process will be seen. And now we'll dive into cross-selling process. Okay. First we have defined the condition table. Okay. Condition table is 503. Okay. Next. So we have defined the condition table. Next, field catalog. So field catalog contains all fields available for cross-selling condition table. Okay. So condition table standard fields includes customer, material, sales organization, distribution channel. So go back again. So here we have field catalog. Okay. Double click on this, enter, and here we have. Okay. So we have already standard customer. Don't change anything. This is scope of check. Okay. So here we will check. See all these we have. See customer, material, sold to party, sales organization. Customer, material, sold to party, sales organization, all we have. So basically this is the scope of check. Okay, we have checked. Then we will maintain access sequence. What is this access sequence? Already you know. So access sequence, it is a search strategy for condition table. Okay, so see systems such as the most specific customer, material, combination and all. I will go to access sequence, maintain access sequence, then press enter. And here we have already, okay, you can see here we have. So we'll create our own. So but here we have standard CO0. If you select on this, go to accesses. See here we have different. I will create my own. Okay, so go to new entry and I will use TE. So this is for cross-selling access sequence. Enter, select the line item, double click on accesses, and here I will maintain my own table which I have defined. What is the table I have defined? So now here we have access sequence. So here I will use TEAS and 503 is my condition table. Enter again, then select the line item, go to fields. See here we will get both the fields. See sales organization and material. Just save it. See I have defined the access sequence. Now see once I define the access sequence, now we will go to condition type. So condition type we have CS01 standard, but we will define our own. Go back. So here we have condition table. So in the condition table, what I will do, I will select this and go to copy. So what is this? This is the condition type. I will define my own condition type, that is TECS, cross-selling. Tech selling condition cross-selling. Here what is the access sequence? TE, enter. And you can set the validity as well. Okay, so just save it. So condition type is TECS. Okay, we have done with this. So next step is we need to maintain the procedure. Okay, we need to maintain the procedure. See procedure, the procedure groups one or more condition type together and system checks the procedure during the sales processing. Okay, so here I will go to maintain condition type. See here, we are going to group all these. Okay, so go back, go to maintain procedure, and here we have. So if you select this standard, you can see here we have CS01. So what I will do here, I will create my own, or else you just copy it or else I will create my own. So I will just copy this. So here procedure I will use TE tech procedure. Okay, this is tech cross-selling procedure. Enter, copy all. Now in this, select this control. So we need to assign our own condition type here. Okay, we'll have to define our own condition type. TECS cross-selling. See here, TECS. Just save it. See, I have grouped my all. See here. See, I have assigned it. So I have maintained. Now we'll have to maintain customer or document procedure for cross-selling. See, basically why this is required. See, SAP combines customer procedure and document procedure. See, customer procedure is for customer master, document procedure is for sales document type. Okay. So to determine which cross-selling procedure to apply. So basically this is used to determine which cross-selling procedure will be applied. So this enable different product suggestions for retail versus wholesale customers or standard versus rush order customers. Okay. So here we have the path. So same path. So under that only you will find maintain customer or document procedure. So if you go back here, close this, we are done with all these steps. Here we have maintain customer or document procedure. So in this, first we'll go to define customer procedure for cross-selling. See here we have, okay. So we'll maintain our own. So if you want to categorize this for the retail, we are going to give different cross-selling. We are suggesting different product. For wholesaler, we can suggest. For corporate customer, we can give different offers. Okay, like this, we can categorize this here. So here, go to define cross-selling. So here, let's say I will maintain my own. I will maintain tech cross-selling. Okay, just save it. See, once it is done, see, if you want to categorize based on the requirement, you can categorize. See here, we need to define document procedure for cross-selling. So first customer procedure we have defined. Next we have document procedure. Same there we have defined schema group for vendor, schema group for customer and all same. So here also I will maintain new entry and I will maintain T only. Okay. So here you can tech document cross-selling, enter and save it. Okay. So basically this helps us to fetch the for the particular document type. Okay. So next we'll go with the assignment. Okay. Assign document procedure to sales document type. Okay. So here I'll have to assign this. So assign document procedure and position our document OR. I'll use OR. See already document proposal is there. Yeah. Okay. So a product proposal, I'll use mine. Okay. So this helps us to assign, fetch the suggestions. So which product we can sell. So here we have done the assignment. Now see, we have done the assignment and next, see you can define for all. So if you are creating for sale order, you can define, see these are all the standard. Okay. So here we'll maintain standard only. Okay, because while creating customer master, I had defined this only. Okay, so just leave it standard. Okay, or else you can select this, and we have defined our own. That is TO, and here so TO pricing procedure I have defined. In that case, you can define. Okay, enter. Okay, this is already exist. 1 second. So go to TO. So which I have created tech sale order. So here you can define T. Save it. Okay. Next here we have defined all. And see, this document procedure, you can define a document type procedure, you can define for sale order, rush order, inquiry, quotation. Okay, so that is based on the requirement. Now, define and assign cross-selling profile. Okay, same path, basic function cross-selling, define cross-selling profile. So in this, what we are going to do, we are going to define one profile. We have a standard profile. See, the cross-selling profile controls how product suggestions are displayed during sale order processing. It determines whether a pop-up appears, how many products are shown, and whether suggestions appears automatically or on request. Okay. So this profile used to determine the suggestions automatically. So for that, I'll just go back here, close this, define and then assign cross-selling profile. So here I will define the cross-selling profile. See here we have standard. Okay, see we are going to use standard only. This profile only I will use. Okay. So I'll use standard only. Okay. That is, see here you can see, this is for product proposal procedure. Okay. So I'll use standard only. Don't customize anything here. Okay. Next, assign cross-selling profile to sales document. So what is the cross-selling profile? I will copy this. Already it is assigned because I'm using standard profile. So select it. Okay, no, it is not there. So we'll define it. Go to new entry. What is our sales organization? TESO and cross-selling customer procedure. So which I have created. Okay, I have created T, and this one cross-selling document procedure is T, and cross-selling profile we have only one. See, we will get only one. Okay, just save this. Save. See, we have defined. Okay, we have assigned. Next, we need to see, we have defined. Next, we need to assign our all. Okay, so if you see, this is optional, so just go back, assign. So we have done now. Yeah, so this is all the configuration. See, so these are all the configurations which we have done. Now we'll go for end user testing. So what are all we have defined here? What are all the configurations we have done? So first, once again, I will repeat. So what are the base of the configuration? So first, see, first what we have to do in the first step, we have defined. Okay. So this is the configuration path. And here first we have defined the condition table. Okay. On which condition table, on which combination the cross-selling process has to be done. And I have maintained sales organization and material. Okay. Then I have defined the field catalogs. So field catalogs is a scope of check where we need to check whether all the cross-selling condition tables are available or not. Okay. Next, we have seen all these. Then access sequence, we have defined all the access sequence. So, and we have assigned our condition table as well. Then we have defined the condition type. So in the condition type, we have customized our own condition type and we have assigned our access sequence. So after that, we have maintained the procedure, okay, which will check automatically cross-selling material suggestions. So after that, we have defined the customer and document procedure for cross-selling. Okay. So this is used to activate at document level and customer level as well. Okay. If you have a multiple, see, we can categorize based on the type of customer. So for retail customer, you can define different customer procedure. For wholesale customer, we can define specific customer procedure. For corporate, you can define different. Okay. Next, we have defined the document procedure for cross-selling. Okay. So in this, we have defined the document procedure and we have assigned this to our document type. Okay. And we have assigned our pricing procedure. Later, we dived into defined as assign cross-selling profile. So we have used the standard cross-selling profile. So this helps us to pop up the dialog box of the suggestions. Okay. So next we have assigned this cross-selling profile to our sales area, and also we have assigned our cross-selling customer procedure and cross-selling document procedure. Okay, these are all the set of configurations we have done. Next, we'll start with the end user testing. Give me a second. Okay, now we'll see end user testing process. Okay. See, after cross-selling configuration is complete, the end user must create a condition record linking main material to suggest the material using VB41. Then we need to assign customer procedure in the business partner. Then test by creating a sale order in VA01 and verify the validity periods are correctly maintained or not. Okay. So first we'll go with this condition record. So first I will maintain the condition record. So I am going to maintain which product which the accessories will be suggested. So before that, so what I will do, I will create the material. I will create two materials. Okay. I will go to 01 and here I will take, I'm going to copy from existing one. Let's say tech mobile. Okay. Here in T and here is TEFI. Enter. So here I'll maintain all, and you can also maintain all these default settings. Okay. Enter. So here tech mobile. Okay. Enter again. So all the details I have maintained. One second. I will go to sales org one. Enter. Okay. Everything is maintained. Enter. Enter. And here C7920. Everything is there. Enter. It is saved. And I'll create one more material. Okay. Tech mobile case. Okay. Enter. Tech mobile case. Enter all the. So it will save. Okay. So I have created mobile case and mobile. Now I will go to cross-selling menu path. So this is the menu path. I will go with the transaction VB41 slash and VB41. So here, what is the material determination type? So we have maintained that is condition type TECS. I will use TECS. And if you click on key combination, I have only one combination which I have maintained. So here I will maintain. So let's say here TESO and material. See here you can set the validity. Let's say I will set. See if you want to set. So within this validity period, this cross-selling process will work. Here tech mobile. And here, see here. And you can see here. The moment you enter, see it is asking to which mobile. See here. So for desktop i3, desktop i5, I have maintained. Okay. So desktop mobile, and here, sorry, tech mobile case. See, you can see. See, we have maintained all. So here it should be each. What I have maintained in the material master, I think I have maintained pieces. Let me check. I'll open the new screen. I'll go to slash n mm02. Enter, enter, enter. So yeah, this is in pieces. Okay, go back. See, now I have maintained. If you want to maintain multiple, you can maintain. Just I will save my condition record. See, I have saved my condition record. See, now, oh, one second. See here. See here, I have maintained the suggested material. See here, motherboard each. See, this is alternative. Okay. So what you can do is, so once it is done, okay. So here you can maintain suggested different materials as well. Okay. Different materials. So here it has maintained. So this is the key and all. Okay. So here cross-selling CA0 and fast entry material 504 alternative material list which displays control. Okay. So if you want to change, you can go to VB42 only. Okay. You can go to VB42. So here, so if you click on execute button, you can see here. Okay. You can see, and you can maintain. See here, you can maintain all this. And you can define the validity as well. For the particular, this, you can define the validity. If you want to delete, you can delete. If you want to create your new entry, you can create new entry. Okay. See here. One second. See, for the tech mobile, we have tech mobile case. You can see, and you can set the validity for this. Go back. See, if you double click on the first line item, see, it will show you. So key part is this, and alternative material is this. Okay, just save it. So we are done with this condition record. So here what we have done. So main material is, let's say, Samsung S25, and we have suggested phone case, screen, screen protector, then wireless and all. Next, set customer selling procedure. Okay, customer cross-selling procedure in master customer master. Okay, so here in the sales and distribution in XD02. I will go to, you can maintain this XD02. Okay. In the XD02, you will be finding in sales and distribution under the order, you will be finding pricing procedure, customer. Okay. So here you need to set our own pricing procedure. So what I will do here, I will go to XD02. So what are the customers we have? Let's say I will take 310 only. I will take 310 only. Okay. So wait. So go to 310. And here I will select. So our procedure, sorry, BP roles. Go to sales and distribution. And here you will find customer. See here you can see customer procedure for cross selling. So here I will use TechCS. TechCS. Save this. See, I have updated this. Okay, I have updated this. I have created my own and I have updated. Now we will go for testing part.